Hello everyone, this is Shruti from Sweet and Sour and today I am going to show you a recipe of spaghetti. See, आजकल बच्चे Peppa Pig show देखते हैं. अभी मेरा बेटा, my son is 3 years old and its favorite show is Peppa Pig in Nick Jr. and that cartoon, that show used to show many times their dinner time, their lunch time where they used to have spaghetti. Okay, and इस टाइम तक ही वॉज नॉट अवेयर ऑफ वॉट इज स्पेगेटी बट ही वॉन्टेड टू हैव स्पेगेटी. ठीक है, तो आई वेंट टू द शॉप एंड आई बॉट अ स्पेगेटी एंड आई मेड अ रेसिपी विद द स्पेगेटी फॉर हिम. सो आई थॉट ओके लेट मी शेयर दिस स्पेगेटी रेसिपी विद ऑल डियर मॉम्स जिनके बच्चे इसी तरीके से जिद करते हैं दैट आई ऑल्सो वॉन्ट अ पेपर पिग स्पेशल स्पेगेटी. सो टुडे आई एम गोना शेयर यू द रेसिपी ऑफ पेपर पिग स्पेशल स्पेगेटी that is very tasty and it's very good because it contains a lots of vegetables for our dear kids. So keep watching my video. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
So yummy and mouth-watering, isn't it? This is a new version of Peppa Pig Special Spaghetti which I named Chili Spaghetti. So enjoy the recipe and do make it a dinner.
Okay guys, so to make this children's special or you can call Peppa Pig special spaghetti, you need a wok or an iron kadhai like this. Once the kadhai is nicely hot, add some refined oil. I have taken sunflower oil here and add ginger and garlic into it. Here ginger and garlic I have chopped them in very fine pieces so that they doesn't come directly to the mouth when they are having their favorite spaghetti. So cook it till it changes its colors and gets a nice golden brown in color. Once it achieves that kind of a crunch and color, you have to add onions. So here I have taken one whole onion, and I have cutted the onion in two different forms. Half of an onion I have chopped very finely and the rest I have sliced in thin juliennes for the better texture in our spaghetti. And then I'm adding green chilies. These green chilies are not very hot, that's why I'm adding around 4 to 5 big green chilies. These green chilies taste something like our pepper, okay, bell pepper. So we can add as much as we want because this will give a good color to our dish. So once the onion and the green chilies are cooked, you have to add the veggies. Here I am taking green beans and cabbage and one more vegetable, that is carrot. So these all vegetables are very good for your kid, and usually they doesn't like to eat vegetables, but if you present these vegetables with their very favorite dish and especially this Peppa Pig special spaghetti, then they will love it and they will eat it anyways. So once these vegetables are nicely cooked, you have to saute it till these vegetables are cooked off, right? Don't make it very soggy. You have to saute these vegetables on a high flame because we want our vegetables to be crunchy when we bite on the spaghetti, right? That's why you have to cook it in a high flame. So till the time the vegetables are getting cooked, let's move on to the spaghetti and let's cook the spaghetti first. So actually these spaghetti are very thick if we compare it with the Chinese Hakka noodles, so it needs more time to cook. Okay, it needs around 30 to 40 minutes, so let it cook for 30 to 40 minutes and let's check our vegetable. It's almost done guys. See, the vegetables are almost cooked and now it requires the seasoning. So to season and to decrease the cooking period of this vegetable, I'm gonna add salt. You can add salt according to your taste. Okay, here I am adding around 1.5 teaspoon now, and if it is required I'll add further. So now gently toss your vegetables and then I'm gonna add black pepper. So if you have white pepper, then that will be a very good complement to this dish. You can skip the black one and you can add that white pepper, that will give much more Chinese flavor to your spaghetti, right? So I'm adding this black pepper and now I'm going to add the sauce. So here I'm not using soy sauce, not using any other green chili sauce or something. Here I'm adding one specific sauce, that is chili garlic sauce. You can easily get a chili garlic sauce in any of your supermarket or store near you. So here I'm adding this chili garlic sauce, and then I'm gonna add sour taste to it, that is I'm going to add vinegar. I'm adding around 1.5 teaspoon. Okay, if you want this to be little more khatta, then you have to add little more. Then after this I'm adding tomato ketchup. Okay, here I am taking this pichku sauce. I used to stock these pichkus because these are very helpful and very useful in every dishes I make for my kid, and it's very tasty. We can't eat any fried thing without this tomato sauce, right? So here I am adding this tomato sauce. This is also like based on your taste, or how much sauce you want, you can add accordingly. Then I'm adding coriander leaves. Basically these coriander leaves are not used in Chinese dishes, but in spaghetti if you add this coriander leaves, no, it will give a very good flavor. I'll recommend you must try it in your noodles also. This will give you a very different and a very different kind of an Asian taste to your dish. So it's time to add our cooked spaghetti. This spaghetti is nicely cooked. After removing the spaghetti from the hot water, shift it to the cold ice water, rinse it, and you have to add around 1-2 tablespoon of oil so that it will not stick to each other. Okay, so my spaghetti is not sticky. It's very good as I expected. And now I'm going to toss the spaghetti along with my vegetables. So for that I am using this kitchen tool, that is this chimti, which we use to flip the rotis on the flame, right? So this chimti is very useful to flip noodles or spaghetti very easily. So guys, this is the tip from my side, and you can also use this tip next time. Okay, and now I have tasted the spaghetti and I feel little more salt is required in it, so I'm adding little more salt. Okay, and again I'm going to toss it and be careful that it doesn't break. Okay, so now I'm adding some sesame oil. It will give it a good Chinese flavor. Okay, usually all Chinese dishes uses this sesame oil in their chili chicken, their noodles and all, because it gives a good glaze to the stuff that we are making. So you can see my noodles, this is very yummy. You can see the texture of the noodles due to this sesame oil. It's glazing, right? Look at this. So my spaghetti is cooked. Now I'm going to serve it and I'm going to enjoy the spaghetti with my kid. So I will give you one more tip to improve your taste of spaghetti, that after plating the spaghetti you can add some more vegetables if you want. If your child love to eat vegetable, if he doesn't love, then skip it, but you can add some cheese. I have added some grated cheese to give it a cheesy flavor. And here I am going to put 2 quilled eggs for my kid. Quilled eggs are very nutritious, guys. If you and I think you should try to buy it from any store if you get it. So if you like the recipe, do like, share, and if you are the new viewer of my channel, please don't forget to subscribe.